I'm gonna face reveal tomorrow. You want me to face reveal? Like the video right now. This is gonna be uploaded short because I'm gonna face reveal tomorrow. Maybe just 2 minutes. Bye. Like the video if you want me to face reveal. And I will show you all of my wait. Sister and I don't know, blah blah blah. And kuya that is speak in Tagalog. You can translate it into English with translator in your phone. If you want me to face your video, subscribe and like the video. Bye!